Hi, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Pasensya na kayo guys, hindi na ako nakapag-download. So, for a year or maybe 6 months, I'm sorry. But anyway, I gonna post or make my YouTube, download into my YouTube, sorry. Um, but then, including that I make this video because I want to invite all the customers from um, Perth in a surrounded area of this suburb, Gosnells Market. I'm here in Gosnells Market. And then tomorrow we are open. Good Friday, we are open tomorrow. So I'm gonna post this into the marketplace, and all the customers for the Gosnells Market are invited for tomorrow. So all those people that get bored, come on and join us. All the food courts are open. So who knows, tomorrow we're gonna be surprised tomorrow. Maybe we got so many customers coming tomorrow. But in a way, I'm gonna show you um, all my stocks, all my ceiling stuff like dresses, because this all uh, my my ceiling stuff, they are all 50% because I gonna change into winter clothing. So all this one, all those winter one, all the summer one are 50%. Okay, so I show you all this one are 50%. Dresses, look this one, they're so pretty. So I'm gonna post this one in the marketplace, and everybody can have a look and come to pick up in a Gosnells Market. Gosnells Railway Market. Lahat yan, 50% tomorrow. Bags. That one is Oroton. Bags, shoes. Very cheap. Very, very cheap. It's only $5. Come on and join us. Oh, that one. Look, bags. Levi's pants. On the top there is Levi's pants. Okay? So, all this one, summer clothing, gonna be on special. They're all good quality. Branded Adidas. Bags. Okay, so I'm gonna post this one in the marketplace, and then everybody can see and look at it and come and see me at shop number 4, Gosnells Railway Market. So that one is a boots. It's only $5, brand new boots. Look, all the buyers invited, getting ready for winter boots, toys. Okay, plants. It's only $5. Pots, $4 or $3. That one, Prada. Brand new Prada. $15 only. All those plants are $5. Okay. So we have so many choices here. Clothing, look. Mine. Mine na kayo dyan. Dresses. They're all brand new. Look, that one. Started the winter one. Okay. Oh, calling all the regular customers. Come. Regular customers, come around, come and see me. Okay, so look at that plants. They're very healthy. Healthy plants, only $5. Then we're going to the $3 racks. Look, $3 racks. All the clothes for ladies, and this one for the kids. Over there for the kids. Look, Adidas, $3 only. That one. Polo. That one costume for the kids. Superman. It's only $5. Look, all this girls' clothing. That one, princess dress for the girls. They are very, very pretty and still new. $4 only. Okay, look, kids' clothes are $5. 50%. Used to be $8. Now it's $4. 50% off for tomorrow. Come and join us. Okay, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Come on, I'll see you around, guys. Tomorrow, we'll wait for you here. Okay.